Finally, May 2nd, man. It's taken 3 weeks for us to finally get a bird. I don't know what it is. I think the season came so early this year. I mean, we've tried the scoot and shoot, I think 4 times now, and it's not always easy as it was for us the first time. But as you can see, we've kind of nicknamed him Toby, but Mojo's Scoot and Shoot has had a pretty long season. We took 2 birds in Nebraska with me and Joe Diesel with Trophy Pursuit, and the same fan he had on last year. Lost his beard, so he's due for a makeover at the end of this season. But I don't know if the season was so early this year and the birds aren't as territorial, but we had a tough time getting birds to work to the scoot and shoot this year. But finally we found a bird after, I don't know how many times we've been out, 7 or 8 times now, and found these 2 birds this morning. There was 2 of them out here strutting, and we came up from the creek bank and finally got one to do it. He didn't do it into 5 yards like they do sometimes, but he did it into 40, and that was close enough for the jellyhead choke tube and the Benelli. So thank you, Nathan, for filming everything and letting me hunt out here. We got to go get you a bird now, man. So got a nice one here. Got a nice little, probably 8-inch beard on him with some, nice little 3/4 inch purse. So it's a good bird. I'm happy as I could possibly be. So let's get another one, man.